Hello, nature and wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic. How to identify a lemur using just a photograph? Lemurs are incredible creatures native to Madagascar and the Comoros Islands. Introduction to lemurs. Before we dive into the identification process, let's learn a bit about lemurs. They come in various shapes and sizes, from the tiny mouse lemurs to the larger, more majestic indris. Geographical context. The first clue in identifying a lemur is to know where the photograph was taken. Lemurs are found exclusively in Madagascar and the Comoros Islands. The region can help us narrow down the possibilities. Size and physical features. Next, look at the size and physical features of the lemur. Take note of the tail length, fur color, and any distinctive facial markings. These characteristics can be crucial in identifying specific species. Facial characteristics. Focus on the lemur's face. Many lemurs have unique facial markings, like rings around the eyes or special colorations. These features are excellent indicators for identification. Tail characteristics. Lemurs are known for their bushy tails. Pay attention to the length, color, and any patterns on the tail. These can vary significantly between different lemur species. Behavioral clues. Now, consider the lemur's behavior in the photograph. Some lemurs are arboreal, while others spend more time on the ground. Behavioral clues can help us narrow down the possibilities. Habitat context. Lemurs inhabit a variety of ecosystems in Madagascar, from rainforests to dry forests. Knowing the habitat can provide additional context for identification. Consulting resources. To make the identification process easier, consult field guides, online resources, and databases specific to lemurs. Some fantastic websites and apps provide images and descriptions of different lemur species. Asking expert opinion. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to ask for expert opinions. Reach out to primatologists, wildlife biologists, or organizations dedicated to lemur conservation. They will be happy to help. And there you have it, 10 steps to identify a lemur using a photograph. Remember, it's a fascinating process that might require a bit of patience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy lemur spotting!